dampi ang San Pedro National High School man. Ka? Din dampi ang San Pedro National High School. Almira? Kanina ka pa, ma'am? What's up mga kautol? Good morning, good morning. Maaga tayo ngayon. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa San Pedro National High School, San Jose Antique. Magkita kami doon ni Ma'am Almira. So itong si Ma'am Almira nag-PM sa akin nakaraan. Magpakuha daw ng aerial drone video na gagamitin nila sa project nila sa school. So ayun, papunta na tayo doon. So hindi naman tayo eksperto na drone pilot, pero subukan natin, ibigay natin yung best natin. Maya-maya lang mga kautol, narating ko na yung San Pedro, San Jose Antique. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan banda yung National School.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel
Ayun, nagtanong tayo rito kay kuya. Saka tinuro tayo doon daw banda sa dulo. So diretso tayo.
Feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
And then nagtanong ulit tayo rito kay kuya tricycle driver. So tinuro tayo, andun lang daw sa unahan.
I'm falling fast, sitting in
Yun na nga, dito na tayo sa harap ng San Pedro National School. So yun, si Ma'am Almira.
here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back.
Almira? Marisa. Kanina ka pa, ma'am?
Hindi naman. Tagalog po talaga kayo, kuya?
Sibalom. Karayaman na.
Hindi ka Tagalog. Panto naman tita, sa kaimaw ko.
Pato rin.
Sa magkano.
Ano ba eh? Lapad pa raw?
Ito sa sulod.
Hindi ta maging against the light.
Bay ng dito ko.
Rangkap muna kaway ito, spiak.
One eternity later.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.